ng mga people of the world. So, do you see? Do you see? If you haven't tried it, you have to try it. Because it is a miracle glow. Like, miracle. And I usually mix it with this one for the face. But if you want like a true glow of it all, it is this alone. You want to see? Okay, show you. Gusto mo ng pushaw? This is the pushaw. So, iba-iba yung aking mga brush. But for the body, for the face, I use a small brush that you have. Like, you will see. Ganyan siya ka, Actually, kasi nilagyan ko na siya kaya wala na siyang ipupusyaw pa. Pero, sobrang brightening siya. If you look. Dami kasi So, I put it all over. Medyo matyaga lang dapat talaga. Pero if you want it pusyaw, I think all of my kakikayaness of people in the world, look super pusyaw siya. Kasi nilagyan ko na hindi mo masyadong makiintindihan yung ibig kong sabihin. But basically, that is the glow that I love about Milk Glow. And then, papagalingin ko pa yung brand because I've been doing a lot of like product testing, and this Milk Glow, I feel, is the my most favorite. So, I'm going to make sure na dumami pa yung mga products ng Milk Glow kasi matagal lang mga sis. But, sister, it's really the key to my heart. Sobrang psh. Kaya, go na. And then, something that I can't leave the house. But we haven't launched this yet, so I'm sorry. But I've been using it since couture. Kailan ba yung couture ako na I was wearing the white Schiaparelli and I did a video. This is the one. This is the Luxel. It's a serum mist. So if you have dry skin, like I have I've mixed, I use this. And then if you mix it with like concealer and all of that jazz, parang it like mixes everything. You know the flaky skin that you get minsan pag maglalagay ka ng kung ano-ano, and then this one kind of makes it blend more, so mawawala yung mga flakiness. So this is good, but wala pa siya, but standby lang kayo because I'm going to have to rush this soon because a lot of my friends are saying it's one of my, parang tumutumbas siya dito sa tatlong to. So you gotta have it. I am going to the dentist today because nasabugan ng asteroid. Nasabugan ng asteroid yung isa kong ipin. So, nagka-crater siya. Dito pwede. Ayun lang naman. And I just wanted to say hello to everybody. When I went to Shanghai, ang dami kong mga na-discover ng mga anik-anik. Hi! Hello! Discovered yung mga oh my god, this is the one na nga. Yung mga parang, when they put kasi parang their brightening stuff, you have to download Red Note because I'm on Red Note. And when they do sobrang ganda talaga ng effect ng sponge. Yes. So you have to try the sponges from, I'm sure nabibili to, pero ang ganda-ganda niya. The best. Yes, kumuha na kayo ng visa. Di ako nagluloko. Mababaliw kayo dun. As in, ang dami talaga. Ay, hindi ito galing to. Pero, may effect siya talaga with the other products. Makeup and stuff like that. Because of that, kailangan ko to ilagay sa makeup kit. Makeup kit. Okay, yun lang naman. It's a very fast live because I have to go to the dentist today. Gusto ko nang magpaampon sa'yo. Sis, hindi kasi pwede. Hindi tayo pwedeng kasi kulang na sa yung bahay ko. Ginawa ko ng walk-in yung baby's room ko kasi nga parang nilet ko na yung idea na magkakaanak pa ako. Parang ayaw talaga ni Lord ibigay. So, i-let go. Tatanggapin na lang natin kung anong desisyones niya sa life ko. Okay lang naman. Ako na lang yung babies ng sarili ko forever. The babies of the foreverness to myself. Where's the necklace from? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Yes. If you know, you know. Hi, John Frats! Hi, Idol! Sayaw naman tayo dyan. Isang mabalisang live lang, to promote the self. Guys, John Prats is in the house. Please say hello to him. John, I have a gift for you. You like it. Si John nanonood. Sabi ko na nga, be. Charot. Hi, John. What is my lipstick? Okay. Eh di kung sasabihin ko sa inyo, manonood pa ba kayo ng real ko na outfit of the day? Pero, sabihin ko pa rin. This is Absidy. This is Violently the Best. It's vintage scarlet. And I just mix it like that. And then, hindi siya natatanggal. Eh, punta na kayo sa Watson's Beauty. Hanapin nyo na to kasi diba? John, what is your next project for the season of giving? John, answer. Gusto mo yung demanding pa rin? Makulit, demanding. This is Arquette. The Sandoz Arquette. The top, if you know, you know. Huwag na natin pag-usapan. Glass Skin is really, truly brought to you by. Hindi ako nagluloko, pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung hindi nyo gagamitin to ng tama, magmumukha kayong mascara. Kasi it's really a glow up. Major glow up. But I use it on my hands, everything. And, pak. See, hindi pa pumantay. Nakakahiya. Hindi ko pwede. Good morning, Vince. How is it? How is life? So, you put it there. It's also sunblock. So, hindi pwedeng maarawan. Tumakbo kayo sa araw. O mag-ano kayo. Tawag nito, mag-umbrella. Or mag-hat. Or, pakita ko, wait lang. Meron ako. Nasa bag ko. Ay, ano ba yan? I'll be back. Pakita ko sa yung ano ko. So, this is the main bag of life. Papi. Sumugat na siya. Anong sinugot niya? Wait lang. TJ Montero and KZ World Tour. Okay. Na. Usapan tayo dyan. Ang galing-galing ni John, diba? Iba talaga si John. Idol. Si Gummy Bears. Because talagang that's what you call survival of the fittest in show business. Kailangan gumawa ka ng way to, how do I say, express your creativity and being an artist. And John's a good actor, plus he's a director. Sumasayaw pa. Tapos napakahusay pa na asawa. Diba? Kaya si Isabel Oli, ganda-ganda lang sa TikTok. Yan. So anyway, going back to the sun, John, kailangan mo maging vain. Kailangan ng This is Pro Cut Whitening Patch Churut ng Maya. And I use this when nobody is looking. Because I cover myself from the sun. So pag bumabiyahe ako and it's my day off, and I want to go around and enjoy life, I use this to cover my forehead and stuff like that. Of course, I have my sunblock. But then when it's like extreme heat, and I'm with my team, and hindi naman ako pwedeng KJ kasi sinasamahan nila ako sa lahat ng bagay, kailangan ko din sila samahan. Pero minsan, ang mga pinipili nilang mga places is not for me. And then this one is called Naked because it's naked. It's like a transparent sun shield peptide or may peptide patch. And then you put it on your face and everything. And then I use that. And the sun does not penetrate the skin. So that is always in my bag. Because hindi tayo papayag. Hindi tayo talaga papayag. Hindi tayo pwedeng pumayag sa mga moments of strategy. Strategic movements of the mind. Dami nang sinabi. Okay, so bilang tinamaan ng asteroid yung ipin ko, kailangan ko pumunta sa CAD clinic. I know, it's the glow milk. Ito talaga ang sekreto ng lahat. Kaya lang, actually, pag-joke sana ako, bawal umulan. Kundi, hulas. But, in fairness, it's matte. So, it's transfer free. So, I'm very confident to wear black and stuff like that. Okay. Alright. What day is it today? Don't forget Heart World is on Saturday. Heart World this season is so fun. I truly enjoy it. And it's nakakabitin because we only have 27 minutes to air an episode, and you can only imagine the length and the what do you call that? What's the word for it? The material that we have is so much. So, Mavi, hello. Hello. Anong sunglasses ko? This is my favorite YSL glasses, the one that you guys helped me sold out. It was my very first Heart Made Me Do It moment, but this is in red. So, I don't know how you can find it because I don't really see it in the store, but if you ask for the photo, okay, take a photo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you ask them, I think they can find it in the outlet. Because I think that's what I do sometimes. If I want something that's off-season and I want it cheaper, I ask the SA to go find it in the outlet. And it's so much cheaper. Minus the tax of, like, when you fly back. Girl math. Renz, you have to go to my sale. I have so much stuff that you might like. And I have a lot of friends that are selling their stuff too. So you will have men's stuff. What's your shoe size? I'm just curious. My sale is gonna be around April. But oh my god, it's so hard because honestly, I have a really hard time saying goodbye to my stuff because I love them. But if it would make other people happy and magagamit nila and then go for it. But I have like a mix. I have a mix of like super high end, and then I have a mix of like 100 pesos, 500 pesos. I have a whole lot of Camiseta stuff because when I was working with Camiseta, they would give me so much. In fact, parang may credits pa ako. Dapat kunin ko, kaya lang parang dinaya ko sila. Kasi kung kinuha ko sa kanila, tapos binenta ko doon, hindi ko na, parang naging reseller. But anyway, I have so much stuff that I had to model for Camiseta before that I'm selling everything there. Some have my paintings, some don't, because I keep all of my paintings just for my archive. But there's so much, and they're all like 300. May mga costs. Sobrang dami kong costs because I shop a lot at costs, and I have... Hi! It's my cat. Hi, Joey. Hi. Babies. It's your babies. As you say hi, babies. Come here, say hi, babies. Come here, say hi. It's my cat. Gagas kasi yun. This is Chloe. Chloe pangalan niya kasi kala ko lalaki. Babae siya. Pero lalaki pala siya. Napulot ko lang to sa ano. Aso ka, diba? Aso ka? Ay, aso siya. Kaya, nilalamutan ko siya. Kaya lang kagat ako. Weird. Sabi, Wow. Napulot ko lang yan. Tingnan mo, ang gwapo-gwapo na yan. Kaya lang nangangalmot. Pero may injection ako. And I gotta go, guys. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Tignan mo, binagaluhan pa siya ng opulence ng Versace na ano. Oh. Regalo lang siya ng opulence. Versace na necklace. Gwapo-gwapo. Tignan mo, 'di ba? Ang sabi ko sa kanya, galing siya sa Africa. Hindi niya na alam na galing lang siya sa Cubao. No? You don't know that you came from Cubao? Tignan mo. Gwapo-gwapo. Halika dito. Come here. Come on. Okay, I gotta go. I really have to go. Kagatin mo. Kagatin mo. Sige, kamutin mo kamay ko. Kamutin mo kamay ko. Para sa'yo, okay yan. Ay, shush. Ay, shush. Kanal ng cat. Kasi nakaka-sustain siya ng... And nag-pause siya. So, I'm so excited to sell my stuff, and I'm so excited that other people will be able to get to wear stuff that brought me magic, luck. And a lot of those pieces are when I was like 19, mga ganyan. Kaya nga nasasaktan ako pag 300, 100, ganyan. Could you show us the spelling of the spray sunblock in pink? It's Luxel. Ano ba yan? Luxel Milk Glow. Got it? You can go to SM Beauty. They have it there. And you have in Glorieta. You could also visit Luxel Instagram account. And then para ma-achieve nyo na. Okay? Okay, guys. Yes, nakinig na ako kay Angelica Panganiban. Magla-live selling na talaga ako. Pero hindi siya live selling. Mag-ano lang ako. Okay, gotta go. Can you go visit my OOTD later? Kasi in-effortan ko ta. Bye!